Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how much it costs to tune a car. Keeping your vehicle running optimally or enhancing its performance involves various tuning options, each with different price points. A standard tune-up, focusing on maintenance, generally falls between $200 and $400. However, if you are looking for performance upgrades, the investment can easily climb into the thousands. We will explore the key factors that influence these costs, helping you understand what to expect for your specific tuning needs. Several factors determine the final price of tuning your car. First, the make and model of your vehicle are crucial. Luxury or high-performance cars often require more specialized knowledge and parts. Second, the type of tune, from a simple engine control unit adjustment to complex turbo installations, greatly influences the cost. High-quality parts, specialized equipment, and the expertise of professional tuners also contribute to the expense. Finally, labor rates and your geographical location can cause prices to vary considerably. Let's look at the costs for specific tuning services. A basic engine control unit, or ECU, tune, which adjusts your car's computer for better performance, usually costs between $200 and $500. For more advanced ECU adjustments, expect to pay $500 to $1,500. If you are adding performance parts such as an exhaust or intake, prices can range from $500 to $2,000. Dyno tuning, a precise method for optimizing performance, typically costs between $300 and $1,000. Beyond performance enhancements, a standard tune-up is essential for vehicle maintenance. This service typically includes replacing spark plugs and inspecting ignition wires to ensure proper engine firing. Mechanics will also check and replace air and fuel filters, which are vital for engine health. Furthermore, all essential fluid levels, like engine oil and brake fluid, are inspected and topped off or changed. Finally, a comprehensive visual inspection of belts, hoses, and other critical engine components is performed to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.